Hi, everyone. This is a Buick Verano. The original car radio was very slow. We'll upgrade it. This is the contents of the packaging of the product. This is a disassembly tool. We see the needs to prepare. First, we remove a panel under the cigarette lighter. Then we take apart the file and put the panel here. Here we remove the left and right screws under the panel. We use the tools to pry open the plastic frame around the original car, then hit the brakes, put the car in our gear, and remove the plastic frame. Now let's loosen the screws that hold the key panel of the original car. Remove the key panel from the original car and remove all plugs from the back. Loosen the screws holding the original engine. Take off the mainframe and remove all the wires from the back. Remove the original screen and unplug all the wires from the back. Remove the air conditioning board of the original car and install it on our new product. We'll start by attaching the QLED antenna to the back of our new product. This is the GPS antenna. This is RCA wire. This is a USB cable. This is the wire for the camera. Okay, now connect the power cord. This is the radio antenna. We'll connect it to the original radio line. Connect the USB cable of the original car. Connect the gray plug on the back of the product. Plug to air conditioner board. The plug that connects the radar wire. Plug to the rear trunk. Connect the OnStar wire on the power cord to the AUX input by color. Plug in the radio antenna. Insert the USB plug of the original car. Connect the CAN serial port on the power cable. Finally, insert the black power plug. Okay, now install the new product. Secure the new product with the original screws. Put the brakes on, put it in our gear, and put the original plastic frame back on. Press the plastic frame with appropriate force. Restoring screw. How it looks after installation. Now, let's debug the protocol so that it displays air conditioning information and performs side control operations. We go to Settings, enter the password, Protocol Settings, Protocol Brand, select your corresponding model year. Be aware that the first setup requires a phone hotspot or Wi-Fi connection. After the setting is successful, you can display the air conditioning information of the original car, temperature, wind speed, etc. The car radio can be controlled using the steering wheel. Support video playback. Support picture within picture. Support radio. You can use a map to navigate. The sound quality can be adjusted using DSP. Open door reminder. Supports Bluetooth to make and receive calls. Support a stern radar. Support left and right driving operation. You can long press to change your favorite shortcut app and turn on the light to switch day and night mode. Support Carplay, Android Auto. You can make phone calls inside, listen to music, use map navigation and other functions.